Hey there guys, this is Andre from Sport and Fit Gym. Today's video I'm going to be talking about some basic exercises for the legs. Just go through a few of them, just tell you what are the basic principles, what you should look out for and how you should do them properly. So we're going to start off with a squat. So what you need to understand in every exercise you do for your legs, it's very important that your knees don't go in front of your toes. That if you imagine, you have like a line coming from your toes and your knees cannot go in front of it. It's very important because you can injure your tendons, your knees can go very badly. So from the beginning, just a squat, basically you want to go back with your hips rather than forward with your knees. So as you go with the squat, you go down like that. From the front, always trying to keep your back straight all the time. When people come to the gym, they have a problem with this. So what I did, I take something like this tire, or you can take a chair or anything like that, and I make them sit down to practice this movement so that they go back with their hips. They go back with their hips and they have to come back up. Like so. It's very important to teach them this at the beginning because after that it transfers to other things, like when you put weight on, it's very important that you do the technique properly. So if I was to put some weight on my back and do this, it's very important that we go back with the hips, keeping the back straight all the time, especially when the weight is on. The next basic exercise is lunge. There are 3 types of lunges. There's the front lunge, the back lunge and the side lunge. Also, as you go forward, as you go into a lunge, it's very important that your knee doesn't cross the toe. Keep your body straight and you come back and you go forward, like so. Also, you can keep this leg straight below you, or you can go further to the front, putting more emphasis on the quadriceps of the front leg. The further front you go, the more emphasis on the quadriceps. Another exercise, there is the back lunge. So, go to the back, come back forward. And the side lunge. Go always still. Look, see my knees is behind the toe. You go back, and there you go. You can use weights for all these lunges to make it more difficult. Like so. So you can bring them up here. So back lunge. With the side lunge as well. Go in there. You really feel the difference as you add more weights, more difficulty, because after a while you can just do sit-ups all the time or lunges all the time. Another thing which I like to do is deadlift. Works the back of your legs. So you take a nice weight, keep your back straight. We had a video talking about that. You go down, slightly bend the knees, facing forward, and you just pull and you go back from the front. It's very important to keep the weight close to your body, sliding between the legs, always going back with your hips, keeping the back straight and looking forward. Like so. There's one more, I'll just go quickly. There are plenty of others with the jumps and everything, but this is just the basics. One which I like, which puts emphasis really on the front leg. Put your leg forward, put the other leg behind you or something, and you go down. Still, you want to keep your knee behind. You don't want to go forward, you want to stay there and go up, like so. So those are some of the basic exercises and the principles how you should do it. Always keep the knee behind. Stay safe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.